Hi, it's Chris from Bolton Technical again. Today we're going to be talking about the Arrow from Bolton Technical. It is a log periodic directional antenna. So some of the features on this antenna, it is 698 to 27 megahertz, and since I can't remember the number, it's also 12 dBi gain, just so you know. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this guy up and we're going to take a look inside the box. And the first thing you're going to notice is the packing on this box. It's not only outstanding, it makes the antenna inside the box snug and doesn't allow the antenna to move in there. So, first thing we're going to find here is we're going to find our Bolton Technical Arrow instructions on how to set this guy up. I'm going to pull this out. This is our female end connector. And once I get this out of here, you're going to see that the heel bolts for the mounting bracket and everything are here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out to the Fireside Ranch. We're going to mount this guy up on a pole. We're going to see what it can do. Hey guys, so here we are again. We're taking a look at the Arrow from Bolton. This is a 12 dB max gain antenna. Here we are out at Round Top, Texas, and we are at the Fireside Ranch, and we're going to give this guy a shot. We're going to put it on a signal meter reading, and we're also going to hook it up to the Bolton LTE router and see what we get. So let's take a look at this guy and see what we can find out. Okay guys, as you can see, I got this 4G LTE router all set up from Bolton, and I have absolutely zero 4G connection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a quick speed test on it and see what we got. And as you can see, it's not even connecting. So let's go ahead and get the Arrow hooked up, and let's take a look at what we get. So now I got the Arrow all hooked up, and we got the SMA connector to it, to our main LTE, and as you can see, I have 4G connection. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and run a speed test on this guy and see where we're at. Bam! Right out of the gate, guys. .8 megs download. And we're firing up the upload, going higher than I expected. And we're going to finish out about 19.2. Got to tell you, everybody, that's phenomenal. Hey guys, so that's a wrap of the Arrow at the Fireside Ranch. Got to tell you, the Arrow, awesome. Awesome up, awesome down. One thing to be sure of, make sure you're patient with this antenna, adjust it, and it's going to work like a champ. We'll catch you later.